The word but and raw milk indicate that the blank should be filled with something other than raw milk, which is made artificially by himself with stipulated ingredients. There are trap answers as options given above. Mendacious, nugatory mean lying and valueless, respectively, while surreptitious and clandestine both denote to keep something in secret. The passage deals with to meet the taste bud and appetite. So any secrecy is irrelevant here, and so does the lie or value. Assessed as choice B means anything artificial or fake which is not real fits as the best option for the blank. Moreover, the word fox is a hint to fill the blank, which means anything imitated that indicates that choice B is the correct answer. So the correct answer is choice B.